We are right now in our workshop. This is Samarkand Bukhara silk carpets, where we make pure silk carpets with natural vegetable dyes. The workshop started in 1992 in Uzbekistan after the independence of Uzbekistan. The workshop working with 450 people. The most of the workers that they are working here, they are ladies. I don't know why. Because maybe they are making better quality. The natural vegetable dyes that we are making, like pomegranate shells and walnut shells and madder root and also cochineal and indigo and these things.
So they are making a different color now, yeah?
The interesting part in this workshop is that the people coming here, even for learning, we have to change their mood. They are coming from a family, so inside family, it's a lot of good things happening, a lot of not very good things happening with a bad mood. So we have to change their mood because happy workers make beautiful carpets. That's what we need. This is very important. And then every 15 minutes, they are making a break. It's like sitting in front of the computer. Your shoulder, hands, and eyes become tired. So if they work all the time, then they do more mistakes and the work is becoming slow. So we have to make the work a little bit faster, means we do a lot of breaks. When the carpet is finished, then we have 5 people from 3 workshops, 1 here, 1 from Jumbo, 1 from Pasdarham, and then 2 from this homes. They coming and valuing the carpet. If it is good carpet, then they take a premium. If it is better carpet, then they take premium and gift. And if it's best carpet, then they take both of this plus 1 month off with balance. Men we have also, but men work is a little bit faster, but ladies work is a little bit better.
Yeah, it's a lot more precise.
So we choose better than fast.
Yeah.
Carpet making 6 months to 1.5 years to make it. So for that reason, you have to be patient. The carpets everywhere is the same, just the motif, the design is different. And in our workshop, we got first place for the silk carpet in the world, not because our carpets are the best, because they are not done by children, because they are natural vegetable dyes, and because they are did with a good mood. So our designs, we are using mostly Central Asian designs, Caucasian designs as well. And we make old carpet designs that people forgot how to make it. So we revive that back. It's a family business. My father is 103 years old. He's working every day, even Saturdays and Sundays. I'm the last son, and then my son is working also, so we hope the other. And my uncle is here, also uncle's children. So it's a family business work. And then with the family, it's good that you can divide the work better. And then everybody does their own part of the work. So it's even better. We love our family, and our family loves us. And we love to make carpets, and the carpets with the laugh become better.